In this lecture, we're going to make the progress bar more dynamic. We'll continue working in the upload function in the upload component. We'll want to update the progress bar whenever the state changes. In the state changed event, we have a function that runs whenever progress has been made to the upload. We'll update the property here. We've taken care of calculating the progress. The next thing we need to do is update the current progress property. The problem is we don't know which object to update because there can be multiple objects in the array. We need to save the index after we insert it so that we know which object to update. We can save the index by assigning the value returned from the push function to a variable. We'll call it uploadIndex. The push function will return the length of the array after the object has been pushed into it. That's not exactly what we want. We want the index. Luckily, we know that the object will be inserted as the last item in the array. We can subtract 1 from the length to get the index for that latest item in the array. We can use this to update the correct object. Inside of the arrow function, add the following. This.uploads uploadIndex.currentProgress equals progress. It's important that we're using an arrow function. Otherwise, we won't be able to use the this keyword because it's not bound to the component's instance. That should do it. Save your changes. Then, go ahead with uploading a file. I recommend uploading multiple MP3 files to test if the progress bars get updated individually. We're able to get the desired effect we were aiming for. Each bar is correctly representing the upload being made. It works great. The objective was to show the progress on each individual upload. We had to store the uploads by creating an array in the data object. Up in the template block, we looped through the uploaded items in the array. We added an expression for displaying the name. The width property for the progress is being dynamically bound to a property called currentProgress. Down below in the upload function, we attached a listener to the state changed event. It's an event that will get emitted whenever the upload has progressed, been canceled, or was successful. Inside of the function we passed in, we calculated the progress by using the snapshot object. The snapshot object represents the current status of the upload. We then used the calculation to update the current progress property corresponding to the object that represents the current upload. We couldn't have done that if we didn't store the index. We accomplished that by storing the value returned by the push function -1. We are not finished yet. We need to handle the upload if it fails or is a success. We'll do that in the next lecture.